Hi, Bob Morris. I'm out at the orchard in North Las Vegas, and I wanted to talk a little bit about green almonds. I posted it on my blog, but there's really a couple different stages which green almonds are harvested when they're immature. And in the Mediterranean area, Lebanon, in through Italy, Sicily, and Greece, they might be harvesting them in a very, very immature stage. I'm going to show you what size to harvest those at. Actually, the tree right now is a little beyond that. We would be harvesting it about 1 to 2 weeks after bloom. But let me find one that's that size. You would be looking for something about this size, or this size even, this size right here, as the immature size for the first stage of harvesting, and those are just oftentimes just eaten fresh like that, or you can put them into salads, you can pickle them, you can do a number of things. The other size that that is really good to pick is a size like this size or even a little bit larger. And what you're going to value in this, you're not going to eat this, okay? But what you, pardon me for just a second. You're going to split it open, and when you split it open, you're going to see the immature nut inside. And you can take that immature nut, and that, there's a double, in fact it didn't split very well. This has got a triple header. You can get the nut on the inside, like that, and that one, you put in salads. You can also stir fry with it if you want to. It's delicious. So go ahead and try the green almonds, especially if you have ground squirrels that are going to harvest them just before you are when they're fully mature. Those little buggers. Anyway, take care.